Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to watch pay-per-view on YouTube TV. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our profile right here in the top right of our screen, and then we are gonna go into settings. And then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure what subscription we have. So in my case, I have a base plan right here with a free trial. So the plan that you have is very important. So for example, if you have a base plan, then you would be able to purchase the tickets for the pay-per-view that is requiring a base plan, because some pay-per-views are requiring a Spanish plan for those Spanish contents right here, so that you would need Spanish plan instead of a base plan right here. So for example, when you go into the home page, go back, and from here I'm gonna search for UFC so that we can have some pay-per-view fights, and then click on UFC right here. And then from here we have this right here, and we can actually go and click on this one right here, and we can go here, and then we can go into Fab 25, and then as you can see right here, it says add Spanish Plus to watch. So in my case, I have a base plan, which means that I cannot access this unless I buy the Spanish Plus first in order for me to buy the pay-per-view or whatsoever right here, or maybe this is already included in the Spanish Plus. So yeah, you would need to be mindful of what subscription you have depending on the type of content that you would want to watch. And also, as long as you have the base plan or the Spanish plan or whatsoever that is required, then if it's a pay-per-view, then all you have to do basically is just to click on it, and then you would be able to pay for that pay-per-view right there. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is.